Hi, I'm Aaron Oxborough. I'm a software engineer here in beautiful Davis, California. I'd like to show you my proof of concept for the OST Kit Alpha Developer Challenge.
This is Ðime Photo. It is a photo and meme sharing community that is like a cross between Reddit, Imgur, and Flickr. The site uses branded tokens called Ḍimes to incentivize users to contribute and participate in the community. So let's walk through how the site works and see all the possible token actions. First, let's register a new user. New users receive 100 Ḍimes to get started with the community. You can see that there's a wallet address created, and we have a new user reward of 100 Ḍimes. Now let's check out some photos. I love this kitchen shot. Upvote. I like beaches. Upvote. Beyonce. Upvote. So if we look at our wallet, we can see that we have some upvote transactions pending, and we can see who they went to. Give them a second to complete, and there we go. 1 Ḍime to Selah, 1 Ḍime to Aaron, 1 Ḍime to Box. So now I'm ready to upload a photo and contribute to the community. Go to new post. We should note that posting requires 10 Ḍimes, and that should help keep up the quality of the posts on the site. I have this really cute photo of a kitten that I think people will like. Like a category and a title. And we've created our posts. I think people are going to love this. So that was pretty easy. My photo is posted, but how do I get people to see it? I really think this is a winner. I can spend 50 Ḍimes to promote the photo, which puts it at the top of the homepage for 24 hours. So let's promote this photo. You see it goes to the top. We'll get a little more attention. And let's check back in on our wallet. You can see that we spent 10 Ḍimes to create a post, and we spent 50 Ḍimes to promote our post. By clicking on the wallet address, we can verify these transactions on the OST blockchain. And there we go. There's our 10 Ḍimes to create a post, our 50 Ḍimes to promote a post, and our wallet balance is at 37 Ḍimes, which matches our account wallet. So that is Ḍime Photo. It's a fully realized token economy with microtransactions built on the OST blockchain infrastructure. It's been really fun to work on for these developer challenges, and thanks for watching.